Official letters, placing order. So dear students, today we are going to learn official letters and how to write a perfect placing order letter. Let us start with an example. As for example, suppose you are the in charge of medical section of MTB Public School, Bankura. Your stock of medicines is about to finish. So, write a letter to the director of Zumbo Medicare City Center, Durgapur, ordering medical items like glucose, crochin, bandages, etc. Ask for a discount on bulk order 100 to 120 words. So, this official letter carries 8 marks. Now, let us start how to write an official letter. See, in every official letter, the first thing which you have to write, that is sender's address at the very top left side. Sender's address. Here, what is the sender's address for this letter? You are the in charge of medical section of MTB Public School. So your address will be MTB Public School, Bikna, Bankura. This is sender's address. Then one line gap you have to maintain. After one line gap, you have to write date, and please don't write the word DATE. Straight away you will write, like today's date I am writing 4th April 2020. Then one line gap. Now you have to write the designation and address of the receiver. Now, who is the receiver of this letter? The director or the manager of Zumbo Medicare. So that you have to write right now. The director, Zumbo Medicare City Center, Durgapur. After that, one line gap, you have to write subject. So in case of subject here, what will be your subject? Order for medical items. And please remember, dear students, you have to underline the subject. Like order for medical items is underlined here. Now one line gap, sir or madam. The content part starts. As our stock of medicines is about to finish, we wish to place an order for the supply of certain medical items required by the medical room in our school. So the content part of placing order letter will start like this, and the details are as follows. Now please keep in mind that you have to prepare a chart in case of placing order letter. The items, the quantity that you have to put in a separate chart. Like here it is done, serial number, items and quantity. Like first one, glucose packets 30 quantity, 30 packets. Number 2, crocin tablets 20 strips. Number 3, bandages quantity 10 rolls. Number 4, band-aids 50. Number 5, crepe bandage 5 rolls. Number 6, Volini spray 4. This way you can continue. You can write 2-3 more items, no problem. Now at the after that chart you may write, we also want to avail 15% discount that you offer to other schools. We wish to receive the delivery of medical items within 10 days of receipt of the letter. So this way you can conclude the content part, and at the end you have to write, that is complimentary clause, like yours truly, then the name XYZ or any name if it is given in the question paper, that you have to write. And who is that? In charge of medical section, that you have to write at the end. So this is the content and the format of placing order letter. Now please keep in mind what is the marks division for this official letter. First of all, for format 1 mark, and format includes sender's address, date, receiver's address, subject, salutation and closing, that is complimentary clause. So these things are under format, and format carries 1 mark. Thereafter content. Content carries 4 marks. Now coming to expression. In expression part there are 3 marks, and that is also divided. Like 1.5 marks you will get for coherence and relevance of ideas and style, and rest 1.5 marks you will get for grammatical accuracy, appropriate words and spellings. This is all, in total it is coming 8 marks. This is all about placing order letter. Thank you.